Now in this tutorial we are going to find out tiles for toilet. Now for tiles, what is the end value? What we need actually? We need the total area, whether it is floor or the walls, tiles. And for the next one as well. And the rest we are using for floor as the marble and walls paint and the plaster. So let me simply go here. This is basically the toilet 1 and this is toilet 2. Now here for the floor, what we need the total area for the tile, and for wall we need the total area for the tile. Now it is very important while finding tiles to check the internal elevation of the toilets as well, in order to check the total height for the tiles. Let me simply go here. We have internal elevation over here for the toilets, and it is clearly mentioned that our tiles level is only up till the top of our doors, and this is basically the door level. Up till this position we need to find out the wall tiles, the height I'm talking about. And for floor, definitely we need to find out the total area over here. So this is what we need to find out in toilets. First of all, we need to find out for the floor, and then we need to find out the walls as well, wall tiles as well. Now let's move into the Excel and find out the tile quantity over there. Now here we have Excel sheet and we are done up till the plaster work. It is time to find out the tiles in the toilet. In order to do this, simply what I'll do, I'll copy one of the tab from here, and it could be any. Let me copy this one, move or copy, and then I'll go with the move to end, create copy, press OK. Rename this with what? Tiles for toilet. Done from here. Next I'll write here as well, tile for toilet. Now next to it I'll simply delete all of this stuff from here. I'll delete all of this stuff from here, and first of all I'll go with floor tiles number 1, then floor tiles. Now in floor tiles definitely we need the area over here, so I'll go with number as 2 because we have two toilets with the same area, toilet, this toilet and this toilet as well. Now in order to find out, I'll go with the polyline command again, and I'll hit enter. If you are finding in AutoCAD, you can find out through polyline command as we are doing it. And if you are working with PDF file, you need to do what? You need to find out length and the breadth. In PDF section you can go and watch that particular video as well if you want the manual calculation. So start right from this position, then we will move toward this direction, then here, and remember the tile will be up till this level, this should also be covered, the door area, and I'll close this one. Now let's find out the total area over here. With list command we can find out the total area, and total area over here is 3.94. 1 2 3 4 5 3.94 meters square. Let's check this one as well, if whether it is same or not. So start right from this position, move toward this direction, and here as well, this one. Oh no, we have not taken the exact point. And then next to it we will go toward this direction, then here, and at last we will close this one. So select this one. With list command you can find out the total area, and total area you can see the same as 3.94 meters square. So that's why both of these toilets are same. And next I'll simply go here in this Excel, and now for external, for stair plaster, yes, what I'll do, I'll just simply copy this format as we need area over here, move toward this direction, I'll press the paint over here, and now I'll put here 3.94 meters square. So area is equal to 3.94 meters square, and this is what we need over here in the tiles. We need the total area. So numbers multiply by area. Now there is no any deduction in the floor tiles. Definitely we do not have any kind of deduction over here. but when we will find out the wall tiles, we have to deduct the doors over here only. So let me simply delete both of these, and now we will go for the wall tiles. Now in wall tiles, what we need the total perimeter of the walls and the height of the tiles. Height we have checked over here, up till door level or lintel level we have the tiles. So it is total of 2100 millimeter. You can check it over here as well. And let me move toward this direction. It is the door level is 2100 millimeter. That this is basically the length level. So this is height. In order to find out the parameter, we will go with the polyline command again. Or if you are doing manual calculation, you can go like this: length of this, then length of this, length of this, length of this, plus you need to add all of this and multiply by height. So next it we have wall. So PL enter, and we will start right from this position. Or you can go with the rectangle command as well. Move toward this direction and then close this one. Select this one with list command. Find out the total length over here, the parameter, not the area. Remember this one. So it is total of 7.8 meter, and same goes for this as well, 7.8 meter, because both of these are same. You can check it as well, no problem. So floor tiles, and now we will have the wall tiles, and we have 2. And what about the length? 7.8 meter. Now what about the height? 2.1 meter. Up till this level we have the tiles. And now in order to find out the total area, it is equal to numbers multiply by, we have length multiply by, we have height over here, and hit enter. So this is basically the total parameter for the wall tiles as well. But we need to do what? We need to do the deductions as well. Remember this one. We have took this area as well, right from this position up here, and definitely we do not have tiles over here because this is the door. So we need to do the deduction over here for the doors as well. So I'll go here and I'll write here deductions, and this is basically D4. We have 2 deductions for D4 because we have 2 toilets with the same doors. And what about the length? The deduction length I'm talking about right from this position, it will be equal to breadth of our door. So D4 is over here 0.75. What? 0.75. And what about the height? Same as 2.1 because this is the height of our tiles. Hit enter, and now let's move it toward this direction. I'll drag it over here, and we have here the total area for the tiles is 37.49 meters square. And according to bill of quantity, we need to find out what the area for the tiles. And if you want the tiles, if you go into the market and want the tiles, you need to give there the area, whether it is in feet square or meter square, but they will demand the area. According to that, they will give you the tiles. So we have find out the total number of tiles here in the toilets, and this is how we can find out the